You have tried something before. Maybe it was dropshipping, maybe it was affiliate marketing, maybe it was some course that promised you passive income in 30 days, and it didn't work. Not because you weren't trying hard enough, because someone sold you the wrong vehicle for where you are right now. This video is about fixing that. I'm going to rank every real way to make money online in 2026 into 4 honest buckets. What is dead and not worth your time? What actually works for beginners right now? What works if you want to scale? And what builds real wealth over time? No hype, no course to sell you, just an honest map. So you stop wasting months on things that were never going to work. Let's start with the bucket nobody wants to talk about honestly. Bucket 1. The dead bucket. These are things people are still trying in 2026 that have either been replaced by AI, are too crowded to be worth entering, or were never real businesses to begin with. Dropshipping. It is not dead in every form, but the version most people try, find a product on AliExpress, build a Shopify store, run ads, is brutally competitive, margin thin, and full of people who started 5 years before you. The people making money in dropshipping now have systems, teams, and ad budgets, not a laptop and a YouTube tutorial. Basic caption and subtitle work. AI does this faster, cheaper, and more accurately than any human. If someone was paying you for this, they have already found a tool that does it for free. Low-level data entry, same story, completely automated. Not worth a single hour of your time in 2026. Crypto trading without real expertise. Most people who think they are trading are actually gambling with extra steps. The people making consistent money in crypto are running quantitative systems or have information advantages that a beginner simply does not have. If you are starting from zero, this is one of the fastest ways to lose the little you have. NFT flipping. The window closed, the market collapsed. The people who made money were early and lucky. Starting now would be like trying to flip Beanie Babies in 2003. Print on demand at the basic level, completely oversaturated. Everyone is selling the same mugs and t-shirts with AI-generated designs. The only people making money here are people with real audiences who already trust them. Here's a quick filter you can run on any idea before you invest time in it. 3 questions. Is AI already doing this faster and cheaper? Is the market shrinking or getting more crowded every month? Is it easier to lose money than to make it? If the answer to any of those is yes, move on immediately. Do not spend 6 months finding out the hard way. Stay with me because this next part is where things actually start to matter for you. Bucket 2, the real starter bucket. These are things you can genuinely start in the next 30 to 60 days, earn your first money online, and build real skills doing it. Income potential is roughly $2,000 to $8,000 a month once you have a few clients. Not overnight, but fast. Short-form video editing. The demand for this is enormous and growing. Every business, every creator, every brand needs short-form content right now. AI makes the process faster, but it does not replace the human judgment of knowing what a good clip looks, sounds, and feels like. If you can edit a punchy 60-second video, there are thousands of people right now actively looking to pay someone for exactly that. Social media copywriting. Every business needs words that get people to buy. Most business owners are good at their craft and terrible at writing about it. If you can learn how to write a compelling caption, a landing page, an email sequence, that skill pays consistently and scales easily. AI chatbot setup for small businesses. This is underrated and almost nobody in the beginner space is talking about it seriously yet. Small businesses lose customers every day because nobody answers their messages fast enough. If you can set up a basic AI chatbot that handles inquiries, books appointments, and answers common questions, they will pay you to do it once, and sometimes monthly to maintain it. The setup takes hours. The value to them is permanent. Virtual assistant for busy professionals. Time is the one thing successful people cannot buy more of. They will pay someone to manage their inbox, schedule, research, and admin without hesitation. This is one of the fastest ways to get your first online client because the barrier to entry is low and the need is universal. UGC content creation. Brands want real people showing their products, not polished ads, not studio shoots. Real, authentic content. If you have a phone and the ability to talk naturally on camera, brands will pay you to create content for them. You do not need an audience, you just need to be a real person. Here's how you actually land your first client in this bucket. Do not sell your time. Sell a specific result. Instead of saying, I edit videos, say, I will turn your long-form content into 5 short clips every week that are ready to post. Specific, outcome-based, easy to say yes to, then reach out to one potential client every single day until someone says yes. One a day. That is the whole system. It sounds boring because it is. It also works. Stay with me because the next bucket is where real income starts. Bucket 3. The scale bucket. This is for people who have some skill, want more stability, and want income that compounds month to month instead of starting over every time. Income potential here is $10,000 to $40,000 a month for someone who executes well. The time frame is 3 to 12 months to get there. And the difference from bucket 2 is this. You are no longer just doing tasks. You are solving real business problems and tying your income to outcomes. Automation agencies. Businesses are drowning in repetitive work that AI and simple automations can handle. Emails, follow-ups, data processing, scheduling, reporting. If you learn tools like Make or Zapier and can walk into a business and remove 20 hours of manual work per week, they will pay you thousands of dollars for that every month. Because the time you save them is worth more than what they pay you. LinkedIn growth and personal brand management for executives. Every senior leader, founder, and CEO needs an audience right now. They know it. Most of them have no idea how to build one and no time to do it themselves. If you can own that outcome, grow their following, write their content, manage their presence, you can charge a serious monthly retainer for it. AI content agencies. Brands need more content than any team can produce manually. If you can build a system that produces high-quality written or video content at scale using AI tools and package it as a monthly service, you have a real business, not a freelance job. A business. Micro SaaS tools. Small specific software tools that solve one problem for one type of business, a booking tool for a specific industry, a reporting dashboard for a specific platform, small monthly fee, recurring revenue, and once it is built, it works without you trading time for money. This one takes more upfront effort, but the ceiling is much higher. The key to this bucket is 2 things. First, build case studies. Even if you have to take your first client at a discount to get the result, document it, and use it to sell the next client at full price. Second, sell monthly retainers, not one-off projects. Recurring revenue is the difference between a stressful freelance income and a real business. Now the last bucket, and I want to be honest with you about this one before I describe it. Bucket 4, the long game. This is not for where you are right now if you have never made money online before. This is where you aim once you have built skills, income, and some confidence. These take 2 to 5 years minimum. But the ceiling is unlimited and you are building something that could eventually run without you. Building a personal brand with a product attached, content plus commerce. If you can build an audience that trusts you and then create a product, a course, a community, a physical product, software, for that audience you have a real asset. This is a long game because building trust takes time. But every piece of content you create compounds. The work you do today is still working for you in 3 years. Buying a small business and improving it with AI. There are thousands of small businesses, service businesses, local businesses, simple online businesses that are still running on completely manual processes. Buying one and cutting the manual work in half with AI tools can double the profitability without changing anything else. This requires capital to get started, but the return can be significant. Subscription communities. People pay monthly for access to knowledge, connection, and support from people they trust. If you build an audience first and then create a community around a specific outcome, this becomes highly recurring, low overhead income. Licensing systems and frameworks. Once you have built a process that works, a way of getting clients, managing projects, delivering outcomes, that system itself has value. Other people in your space will pay to have it. This is a later stage move, but worth knowing it exists. Here's the honest truth about all 4 buckets. Most people fail not because they pick the wrong one. They fail because they switch. They spend 3 months on video editing, decide it is too slow, jump to dropshipping, decide it is too hard, try crypto for a month, lose money, and start over. Every restart costs you everything you built. The compounding of skill and reputation only works if you stay long enough for it to accumulate. Pick one thing from bucket 2 or 3. Give it a genuine 6 months, not half-hearted. Not while keeping one eye on something else. 6 months of real focus. Most people who do this find traction. Most people who don't stay stuck. You already know this. The reason you are watching this video is not because you lack information. It is because past attempts did not work. And the thing that separates this attempt from those is not a better idea. It is committing to the right vehicle long enough to actually learn to drive it. Subscribe to Play Richly for a new video every week. Real talk about money, earning, and building. No hype, no shortcuts, just the stuff that actually works. And next week, we are talking about the one money habit that separates people who build wealth from people who stay stuck. You will not want to miss it. See you there.